Breast implant removal without replacement is a fairly common operation for people who just don't want their implants anymore. They're done with them. They don't want new ones put in. They just want the old ones out. It's a good operation if you have fairly large breasts and small implants and you're not overly concerned with how your breasts look. Because when I remove implants from someone who has very little breast tissue and bigger implants, meaning if 80% of your breast is implant and we take those implants out and do nothing else, your breasts are gonna look very old because the skin is gonna be very loose and stretched out and there's gonna be nothing inside to fill up that skin envelope. So most people who have breast implant removed and nothing else usually have larger breasts, smaller implants, and they really don't care what their breasts look like afterwards, or they plan to do a procedure in the future to improve the appearance of their breasts without implants. Other procedures that are often done at the same time as a breast implant removal without replacement would be a capsulectomy, if the capsule needs to be removed as well. Oftentimes I'll do a breast lift or mastopexy at the same time because that allows us to tighten up that loose skin, which is going to be loose once the implants are removed. So we can tighten up that skin to make the breasts look better and not look so aged or old. Finally, I can also perform fat injections. So I can do liposuction to harvest the fat and then inject that fat to the breast tissue once the implants are out in an effort to restore some volume without putting new implants back in. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.